All right, everybody, Scott with Septic here. We're doing an inspection up on Crooked Spur out of Boulder, Colorado. It's up in the foothills. We're standing on the soil treatment area here. You've got an inspection port on the distal end or the far end of the soil treatment area. That's right there. That's already been opened up and inspected. It is dry down in there. It's just a good indicator to check for saturation in the field. We have a plastic 1,000-gallon tank in here. Got the lids pulled off. We're running water from inside the home doing a hydraulic load test. They say it's been about 5 years. It definitely looks like it's been 5 years. There's the inlet sewer line there. And you can get a shot of the water coming in. We're checking the operating level of the tank. That's the outlet baffle there. Mid-tank baffle. As you can see, the secondary side of the tank is definitely protecting that soil treatment area from material. Still, we could do an effluent filter there to really protect anything from leaving the septic tank. But other than that, it's looking like it's in pretty good shape. So we are all done cleaning the tank. We had quite a bit of suction lift, it's called. It's basically how far we're lifting the material out of the septic tank up to the septic truck. We're walking down to the soil treatment area again. Get a shot of the septic truck here in a minute. So you can see the septic truck is way up there. And the septic tank is down there. So you introduce a little bit of air into the suction line to try and make that a little easier. Everything's pumped out. Baffles are all plastic. Quite a bit of difference there, huh? Much cleaner. Inlet side. Just the slightest bit of deflection on the lids. Something to note, as well as just a recommended sewer line jetting for preventative maintenance. The sewer line has some fats, oils, and greases built up just on the inlet side there. It'd be nice to take care of that and make sure they're good to go. So this one's set for the next 2 to 5 years and the next homeowner.